Here is how to add music to Instagram posts. So let's get started. If you haven't already, open Instagram on your phone, and once you're here, click on the plus button that's on the top left. So this is to create a new post, and here just select post. After that, you can just select the image that you'd want to post and click on next. And over here, you'll have the option to add music. So at the bottom left, you can just click on audio, and from here, you can select the audio you'd want to add. So over here, they have different pages like for you, or what's trending, or any saved audio that you have, or else you can just search for audio on top. So for now, let's say I want Clash. I can just click on it. They've also given a preview so you can hear it. And if you're fine with it, click on the arrow. After that, you can edit which part of the audio you want with your post. To do this, just click on the audio that's on top. Then you can decide the duration of the audio. To do this, just click on 30 that's written here. And we can change this to how many ever seconds we want. Click on finished, and then click on finished again. Click on next, and now you've reached the last step before you can post. So you can add a caption, tag people, and then click on share to post. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to read messages without the other person knowing, check out this video. Goodbye.